In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a plan to your SharePoint site using Microsoft Planner. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this short tutorial, you'll seamlessly integrate a plan into your SharePoint workspace, making collaboration and task management a breeze for your team. First, to get started, you'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 login page. Enter your credentials to gain access to your account. This step is crucial as it acts as a gateway to all the tools and applications we need, including SharePoint. Once you're logged in, look for the app launcher, often referred to as the waffle icon, located in the upper left corner of your dashboard. Click on it and select SharePoint from the list of available apps. If you frequently access SharePoint, it might already be pinned for easy access. After opening SharePoint, your next move is to navigate to the My Sites area. To do this, look for a small icon or label that says My Sites, typically situated in the menu or navigation pane. Clicking on this allows you to view all the sites you have permissions to access. Within My Sites, scan through and select the specific site where you want to add your new plan. Make sure you're choosing the correct site to ensure your plan sits in the right collaborative space. Once you find it, click on the site to open it, readying it for your new addition. Upon entering the site, look for the New button. It's usually found near the top of the page or within a quick access toolbar. Clicking on this button opens a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll see Plan as one of the selections. Click on Plan to begin creating your new project. At this juncture, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your plan. Be thoughtful in choosing a name that clearly represents the tasks or objective. Once you've decided on an appropriate name, click Create to add it to your site. Finally, with your plan successfully established on SharePoint, you can start customizing it by adding tasks or organizing them into buckets. This is where you can further enhance your plan's functionality to streamline team efforts, prioritize tasks, and set deadlines. Each task or bucket can hold additional details and due dates, making it a versatile tool for project management. And there you have it, your plan is now part of your SharePoint site. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced your SharePoint site, but also improved your team's ability to collaborate efficiently and manage tasks with greater clarity. Keep exploring Microsoft Planner to discover more features that can aid your project management endeavors. Thanks for watching, and let's get planning.